Hello. Today we will explore the possibilities to make interesting Instagram posts. Of course, using Canva. We press this button and find here Instagram post. First of all, I would like to tell that you should choose your preferable colors of the background so that your Instagram looks unique and every post has something common with others. So we can use one of the templates that is given here and we can make several copies of it. And if we will start from one of the quotes, for example, that is also looks nice in Instagram, we can change these flowers, for example, or we can delete them at all. But on the next page, we will have the same background. I recommend you to go to this color library, press here and find the name of this color. Write it down somewhere so you will not forget it and you can use it in other designs also, for example, doing business cards. But every time when you will come here and click this background and go to the library and press this part. So here in this window, you will find the name of your color. Let's explore other posts. For example, very soon, in a month and a little bit more, we will have a nice holiday. And we can write here, for example, just what you would like to write here. But now I will write here Merry Christmas. It's very easy to change also the fonts. And I will do it. The size, I will change the size and it will be bigger. Like here, and I can drag it and I can move it, change the position. So, and I will take this one and I can change the position. I can make it that the photo will be in front. And I will make it a little bit. I will move it. And this one. Back. Okay. I can make it smaller. Here we see, I think that this element called brush. We can move it. We can make the copy. I press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I have another one, and I can also move it. I can make also the color not so intensive, and we use this opportunity. Transparency. Okay. Already we have 2 posts. Let's add the page and explore further what we like. We need the same background, and I will make a copy and I will move it. So in Instagram we have always these 3 in a line, so it will look nice if sometimes this background will appear. And we can change this text, we can change the font, so you will have your own company font in your Instagram. I would like also to show you how to work with frames. For example, we'll take this and the frame is used as you see, and I'll delete. Now I have this color. I don't use it because I need this one, and I can see that it is here. I go to this post and I press here, so the color of the post is changed. I have these quotes and it also has its color, and I can see that it is the name and the number of the color, and I can use it also for this if I want. So we have here the frame. We can change this frame in the elements. For example, here I will delete this one to show you how we can work with it, and I will choose maybe let's take this one, and using this frame I can also put it back, and then I can find the picture what I like. I can find it from the library, Canva library, using keyword, or I can download my own photos. Let's take keyword winter and moving it. You see how it goes here. It's very easy to work with these frames. So we can continue with templates. This place you can use to find all the templates what you like, and you just discover what suits your Instagram account. And in the next videos I will show other opportunities how to work with elements in program canva.com. Thank you very much for watching.